There's a single mistake, one fundamental error that kills almost every new business. And no, it's not about your funding, it's not about your team, and it's definitely not about luck. It's a simple shift in thinking that separates the massive successes from the complete flameouts.
So I'm going to ask you point blank. Are you, right now, pouring your heart, your money, your soul into building something that absolutely nobody is going to buy? Because the painful truth is, most people are.
And look, this isn't some minor misstep. This is the #1 reason new businesses die, period. But in the next few minutes, we're going to pull this mistake apart so you never, ever have to make it. So, what is this fatal trap? Let's get into it.
It all boils down to this one really dangerous assumption, a trap that even the smartest entrepreneurs fall into. We call it the inside-out trap, and it all starts with the company, not the customer.
Okay, so the official name for this is the selling concept. And it's basically the belief that your job is to sell whatever it is you happen to make. You've got a product, maybe you've got a factory, and you think your entire mission is just to push it on people. And this right here, this is what that path to failure looks like. See how it starts inside your own company, at the factory? The whole focus is on your existing product. The main tool you use is just aggressive, pushy selling. And the goal? Well, you're just kind of hoping for profits based on selling a ton of stuff. You're pushing, not pulling.
This whole approach, it turns you into a product pusher instead of a problem solver. And you know what? It's exactly why that famous line, "If you build it, they will come," is probably one of the most dangerous myths in all of business.
So you spend months, maybe even years, perfecting your product. You polish it, you launch it out into the world, and crickets. Nothing. No sales, no buzz, just the crushing, deafening silence of realizing that nobody cares.
And you know, even if you manage to twist someone's arm into buying, the problem actually gets worse. The source material for this explainer has this brilliant term for it: bad mouth.
Bad mouth is exactly what you think it is. It's toxic, negative word of mouth. And here's the key takeaway for today. In the age of social media, bad mouth isn't just a little bit of negative feedback. It's a wildfire. It can burn your entire brand to the ground overnight.
So how do we fix this? Easy. We flip the entire model on its head. The secret isn't some complicated formula, it's a huge shift in perspective. It's the outside-in approach, where you finally realize the customer isn't your target, they're your boss.
And this right here, this says it all in just 5 words. This is your new mantra. Don't create a product and then go desperately looking for people to buy it. No. Instead, you find out what people already want, and then you go create the perfect solution to fill that want.
This, my friends, is the marketing concept. It's not about being the best at selling. It's about being the absolute best at understanding and serving a specific group of people better than anyone else out there. The whole game just shifts from sales numbers to creating real value.
Let's just put them right next to each other. It's so obvious, right? The selling concept starts with you, the seller. The marketing concept starts with the buyer. One uses pushy sales tactics. The other uses integrated marketing that actually helps people. One chases profits by selling a lot of stuff. The other earns profits through genuine customer satisfaction. I mean, it's night and day. So what does that path to success look like? Well, it's the total opposite of the other one. You start outside your company with a very specific target market. You become obsessed with their needs, not just what they tell you they want, but their deep, unspoken needs. Then you use integrated marketing, where every single thing you do delivers value. And the result? Profits that last because they're built on happy customers.
Okay, so that all sounds good in theory, but how do you actually do this? We can boil it all down to a really simple 3-step mission that you can literally start today.
All right, here's your mission. Step 1, choose your target market. Stop trying to be everything to everyone. Get specific. Step 2, understand their needs. Become obsessed. Go way deeper than surface level wants. And step 3, integrate your marketing. That just means that everything, your product, your ads, your customer service, it all has to be perfectly aligned to deliver that one specific value to that one specific market.
And if you ever feel yourself slipping back into that old inside-out way of thinking, just remember this one ultimate rule. The customer is the boss. They write the checks. They decide if your business lives or dies. Simple as that.
Okay, so you now have the key. You know how to avoid the #1 mistake that tanks new businesses. You're ready to go out and find a real want in the market. But as soon as you solve this problem, a brand new, even bigger challenge appears.
What happens when you find that perfect need, but there's already a massive, dominant competitor serving it? You know, a giant with a huge budget, instant brand recognition, and tons of loyal customers? How on earth are you supposed to win that fight?
Well, believe it or not, there's a specific playbook for that. And next time, we are breaking down the exact strategies that market challengers use to attack, to disrupt, and to ultimately topple those industry giants. You are not going to want to miss it.